The challenge has been issued from Wildman Monkii Dan over at monkii.co, 100 rep pull-up challenge. But instead of doing the regular 100 reps and making a video like this, I'm gonna make it a little bit interesting for you. Every 10 repetitions, I'm gonna change it up to a different pull-up variation. So by the end of this video, you'll have 10 different pull-up variations that you can add some spice and new interesting angles to your normal pull-up routine. So I got my fast lane tea, a little bit of caffeine. Let's get to it. Getting a full rotation every rep. All right, off to a good start. Done. Careful not to hit the head, Matt. Did that the first time I did this. Seven, all right, save 3 more. Rest up a little bit, long way to go, 100 reps. It's a lot of reps to do. I'm trying to get as much value as I can from each one, particularly as much range, getting my chest to the bar every time versus just chin over the bar. Yeah. I have a little tea here. I just finished recording the latest episode of the RDP podcast. This one's on about the unique approach we have here for managing your weight, losing weight here, because we got New Year's coming up. And one of the big takeaways that I covered in the podcast is that weight loss and healthy diet should be separate things. They shouldn't be one and the same. Yeah, eating healthier can sometimes lose weight and so on, but it makes a lot of sense to separate them as separate objectives, as I explained in the podcast. Anyway, it'll be available after January 1st. Make sure to check that out, Apple, Stitcher, and Google Play as well. They're getting harder now. It's been a while since I've done that one. Being sick and everything over the past month or so, I'm surprised I still had that much strength for it, even having done the 40 reps before that. That's quite encouraging. Okay, I spoke too soon. No, but both arms are working on both of those, of course, so that just petered out a little quicker. 2 reps on the other one. Left arm used to be my strong one. Now it's getting to be the weaker one, funny enough. All right. Getting that full height. Boom. Save a little in the tank. Quality, not quantity, is definitely the theme I go by these days. So gonna move those handles up. Go. Get a little more range of motion. I don't want them that easy. I'll call that 7. That last one didn't count. I can't make all of the short ranges count. Don't be too lenient here. Let's give it 3 more. Back is really feeling it right now. Biceps, shoulders, everything. Let's go for some strong singles here. And that's 8 by my count. For you folks counting along at home, leave me down below in the comment section if I'm missing a few. Oh, that's getting to be a challenge. There's 8. 2 more to go. Ooh, feeling nice and loose today. I thought 100 reps, I'll really feel tired at this point, but still feeling pretty good. All right, last set coming up. So that's 1, 2, 3. Feeling okay. I really try my best to get my hand, again, on that center line. Same thing with like my archer style push-ups. I'm not satisfied to do them like this. I want to get as close to that center line as possible. Really make it harder as per grind calisthenics theory. So let's see, what was that, 3 down? Yeah, 6 to go. And it's also easier on neutral grips like this versus a straight bar, I find as well. Oh boy, that petered out quick. That doesn't count. I'm gonna get that back again. So it's 5 repetitions. Man, I am getting serious pumpage in the biceps too. That's the thing, is people say all the time, like, oh, if you only do underhanded grip stuff, that's the only way to work your biceps. The way I see it is anything that bends your elbow should be working your biceps. Overhand, underhand, narrow, wide, doesn't matter. Use your biceps for every pull-up variation, and it'll definitely be more effective. There's 6. Got a little off to a rough start on that one. Had a funny grip. Shoulders back, man. 7. A sloppy 8, but I'll take it. So much in the head, like my mind right now, it's like the finish line, it's almost there. You're almost about to cross the finish line. So I'm kind of like easing back on the intensity. It's like a bike race. You gotta plow through. You gotta sprint for the last couple here. Strong reps, let's go. That's 99. and 100 reps. Let me know if you have any questions down below, or what are some of your favorite pull-up variations and pull-up tips that you could share with us here in the RDP community. We would love to hear from you. And as always, I come out with these videos 3-4 times a week, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Till then, be fit, live free.